Hoops Exchange is the market leader in CAD data translation with over 25 years of experience powering over 300 different 3D engineering applications. Hoops Exchange is a powerful software development kit that enables seamless integration of fast and reliable 3D data access and translation into your applications. With Hoops Exchange, you can easily add interoperability to over 30 different CAD and AEC file formats, ensuring that your application is compatible with a wide range of CAD and AEC systems. Hoops Exchange enables various workflows across multiple industries, including mechanical design, design review, viewing, additive manufacturing, CAM, simulation and analysis, CMM, PLM, building and construction, AR/VR, plant and process, and more. Hoops Exchange is also trusted by numerous companies, from small startups to industry leaders like Siemens, Hexagon, OpenMind, Aviva, Faro, Ansys, and more. Hoops Exchange also supports a variety of mechanical CAD formats such as CATIA, NX, Creo, SolidWorks, Inventor, and SolidEdge. CAD standards like JT, STEP, STL, and IGES. Modeling kernel formats like Parasolid and ACES. AEC and BIM formats like Revit, IFC, MicroStation, Navisworks, and AutoCAD DWG. And popular visualization formats like GLTF, FBX, and more, all through a single integration. This streamlines CAD data accessing your application, enabling you to read a diverse array of data such as exact geometry, BREP, tessellation, assembly structure, metadata, persistent IDs, materials, textures and colors, semantic and visual PMI, design features, views, and more without the need of a CAD system. Hoops Exchange preserves the integrity of the original modeling system by avoiding any pre-processing or conversion to secondary formats. This guarantees no loss of precision or accuracy when representing 3D curves and surface data. Thanks to advanced geometric functions, all necessary information for your application can be accessed and tailored to your needs, especially if your application is using a modeling kernel. This robust CAD data access and translation toolkit also comes with integrations to MachineWorks Mesh Modeling Toolkit Polygonica and offers the fastest and most accurate CAD solution for Siemens Solid Modeler Parasolid. It also comes with compatibility for various platforms including Windows, Linux, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, and out-of-the-box support for web and native applications. Additionally, Hoops Exchange seamlessly integrates with our other robust CAD and CAE software development toolkit offerings and is available as part of the Hoops Web and Hoops Native platform. At TechSoft 3D, we offer a free 60-day evaluation of Hoops Exchange and all of our products. During this evaluation, you can explore the features of our SDK that you believe would be critical to your application. To get started, head on over to TechSoft3D.com to sign up for your free evaluation of Hoops Exchange. Additionally, join us in our community forum to ask questions and connect with TechSoft 3D staff.